Are you tired of the same old morning routine and looking to switch things up with a delicious and nutritious option? Welcome back to our channel, where we give you all the information you need about your health and well-being. Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of oatmeal and explore the 10 amazing benefits of eating oatmeal in the morning. I hope you're ready to learn something scrumptious today because we're about to uncover the fantastic benefits of starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. Let me start by asking you a question. Have you ever considered the power-packed benefits of this humble breakfast staple? If not, you're in for a treat. So, grab your spoons and join me on this journey of discovering why oatmeal is a morning superstar. But before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you can expect from today's video. We'll unveil not one, not two, but a whopping 10 benefits of eating oatmeal in the morning, from promoting heart health and managing weight to boosting energy and supporting radiant skin. And that's not all. We'll also cover how to make oatmeal. We've got it all for you. Keep watching. Let's talk about what makes oatmeal so special. Studies show that oats and oatmeal offer many health benefits, including weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth, being gluten-free whole grains that serve as an excellent source of essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Oats are rich in carbs and fiber and contain higher protein and fat than most other grains. So, let's raise our spoons and toast to a healthier, happier breakfast routine. Whether you prefer it warm and comforting or cool and refreshing, oatmeal is here to elevate your mornings and nourish your body from within. What happens when you dig into a warm and comforting bowl of oatmeal in the morning? Let's dive into the 10 benefits that will make you want to grab that oatmeal box right away. 1. Heart health. One of the most significant benefits of eating oatmeal in the morning is its positive impact on heart health. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, also known as the bad cholesterol. By enjoying oatmeal regularly, you're supporting your heart's well-being and reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. 2. Stable blood sugar. Are you looking for a breakfast option that won't cause a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels? Oatmeal's low glycemic index means it's digested slowly, leading to a gradual and steady release of glucose. This makes it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes, or anyone seeking sustained energy throughout the morning. 3. Weight management. If you're on a journey to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, oatmeal can be a valuable ally. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Plus, it helps control hunger hormones, making sticking to your dietary goals easier. 4. Digestive health. Oatmeal is a real hero when it comes to promoting digestive health. Its fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation, keeping your digestive system happy and functioning smoothly. 5. Boosted energy. Need a morning energy boost without the jitters? Oatmeal provides a steady energy source due to its complex carbohydrates, which keep you fueled throughout the day without the crash associated with sugary breakfasts. 6. Nutrient-rich. Oatmeal is a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins that are vital for your overall well-being. 7. Skin health. Want to glow from the inside out? Oatmeal can help with that too. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties support healthy skin and may even alleviate conditions like eczema and acne. 8. Immune system support. A strong immune system is essential, especially during flu seasons. Oatmeal's nutrients, such as zinc and beta-glucans, can boost your immune system, helping you stay healthier and more resilient. 9. Reduce risk of chronic conditions. Studies have shown that incorporating oatmeal into your diet may help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and high blood pressure. It's an easy and tasty way to invest in your long-term health. Before we reveal this yummy breakfast's final and exciting benefit, please show your support by liking and sharing this informative and helpful video with your friends and family. This will help us spread the word and inspire more people to take control of their health. Thank you for being so supportive. Lastly, oatmeal is budget-friendly and incredibly easy to prepare. With so many variations, from classic oats to overnight oats and oatmeal smoothies, you'll never get bored with this nutritious breakfast option. Now that we've discussed the benefits of eating oatmeal, let's move on to how to make oatmeal. It all starts with the simplest ingredients. You'll need old-fashioned oats or rolled oats, milk, water, and a dash of salt. Those are the only 4 ingredients you need to make oatmeal. There are 3 types of oats out there. 1. Quick oats. These are finely processed oats that cook very quickly. While you can certainly use them, I don't recommend them because they are more processed compared to other types and only save you an extra minute of cooking time. 2. Steel-cut oats. This type consists of whole oats that are unrolled and unprocessed. They take the longest time to cook, requiring at least 20 minutes on the stovetop. 3. Old-fashioned oats or rolled oats. Sitting between quick oats and steel-cut oats, you'll find old-fashioned or rolled oats. They are quite similar, but the rolled ones are slightly pressed, making them more processed. These oats are thicker than quick oats, requiring more time to cook. Either old-fashioned oats or rolled oats work great for this recipe. Here are the instructions for making oatmeal using the microwave. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need old-fashioned oats or rolled oats, milk or water, a pinch of salt, and any desired toppings like fruits or nuts. Step 2. Take a microwave-safe bowl and add half a cup to 3/4 cup of oats, depending on your preferred serving size. Step 3. Pour in 1 cup of milk or water into the bowl with the oats. Add a pinch of salt for flavor. Step 4. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it to prevent boiling over. Step 5. After the initial cooking, stir the oatmeal well and put it back in the microwave for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. Cooking times may vary depending on your microwave's power, so adjust accordingly. Step 6. Once the oatmeal reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the microwave. Step 7. Let it cool for a minute or 2, and then add your favorite toppings such as fresh fruits, nuts, honey, or maple syrup. Step 8. Stir everything together, and your delicious microwave oatmeal is ready to enjoy. Remember to use oven mitts or a towel when handling the hot bowl. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave oatmeal breakfast. Well, that wraps up our discussion on the many benefits of eating oatmeal in the morning. I hope this video has inspired you to make oatmeal a regular part of your breakfast lineup. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you love oatmeal, or are you excited to add it to your morning routine after watching this video? Share your thoughts and favorite oatmeal recipes in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, sharing this knowledge with friends and family can help them make healthier choices too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, start your day on the right foot with a nourishing bowl of oatmeal. Stay healthy, stay happy, and bon appetit!